Today we are discussing on soft skills are key to professional excellence. This is the lecture I am giving today. Axiom in business circle suggests that hard skills will get a person an interview, but soft skills will land that person a job. Okay? So now what is there? Now what we say? Axiom in business circle suggests that hard skills will get a person an interview, but soft skills will land that person a job. What are hard skills? Hard skills are the subjects, the professional degrees. The degrees and subjects are known as hard skills. Physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, anthropology, physical sciences, basic sciences, all the subjects, BA, BSc, BCom, MA, MSc, MCom, MBBS, MD, BL, LLB, BTech, MTech, all the degrees and subjects are known as hard skills. If you have good marks in your certificates, the certificates are hard skills, If you have good marks in certificates, then you will get the interview letter. When you attended the interview, that time what is required? Soft skills required. Okay? Soft skills will only get you a job. So that means before interview, hard skills, the certificates, degrees. After interview, soft skills required. If you have soft skills, then you will get a job. So your degree will take you to interview level. From interview and onwards, soft skills will take the role. That is why soft skills are very important in any human being's life. Education gives you hard skills. Education, your physics, chemistry, anthropology, arts, commerce and all. Education gives you hard skills. The necessary hard skills are required to fill the job position. But soft skills such as leadership ability or self-motivation is necessary to perform well on the job. Okay? So now what you understand? Soft skills means your degree. Hard skills are required to fill the job position. For the job, these are the certificates required. The job position says, and from there, soft skills, 32 soft skills. The 32 soft skills are like leadership ability, self-motivation, etc. So they help you, soft skills help you to get the job and perform the job for 30-40 years very nicely. Soft skills will help you. That is the power of soft skills. Ability to express clearly and confidently is a very important personality trait, and this is given the highest importance during the evaluation process in recruitment. During evaluation process, it is given top priority. Soft skills given top priority. Please try to bear in mind. Strong technical skills, that is the subject knowledge, alone won't help you without soft skills. If you have 90% in your subject, in your degree, it won't help you for job. It will only invite you to job position, to the interview level. Then from interview and during job, soft skills required. Soft skills are 32 in number. I already told you. All 32 soft skills, if you don't learn, important soft skills you have to learn. Communication skill is one among the soft skills. Okay. Communication skills are two: written communication skills, oral communication skills. For writing, written communication skills required. For speaking, oral communication skills required. That is only your oral skills. They are only your oral skills. Any professional needs to talk to a number of people during his career, and hence he needs both technical knowledge and soft skills. So you need to speak to people during your job, and for that you need hard skills, your subject knowledge, and also soft skills. The subject knowledge, that is hard skills, can be put in a nice manner by using the soft skills. Let me tell you one message, one anecdote. In between the lecture, I used to give you some anecdotes, jokes, messages. Every minute is a challenge. Every challenge is an opportunity. Every opportunity is a goal. Every goal is a dance. One chance can change your life. So, my chance is you. So what this says, one chance will change the lifestyle, life. One chance. Okay? So the chance is you. The one we get now, that is the chance. Problem solving abilities are acquired while working. During college, you don't have this. While working, you will have problem solving skills, problem solving abilities. Best solution to a problem can be discussed through experience. Any problem can be expressed through experience only. Experience will teach you how to go about in life. For effective solution at the whole place, it's not the whole place, it is workplace. Spelling mistake it is. For effective solution at the workplace, companies need their employees to have not only domain knowledge means subject knowledge, technical and analytical skills also required, but also the soft skills to deal with external clients. So why soft skills required? To deal with external people, external clients of the company you are working for, customers, etc. Employees should have to work in a collaborative manner with their employers. Employees and employers should have collaborative manner to work. Okay? Employees need to be flexible and adapt to the changing needs of organization. Employees always, you employees, when you become employees, you always must be flexible and you must be adapting to the changing environment of your company, organization. Employees need to influence with the situations through lateral and more creative thinking. What employees have to do? They need to influence with the situations through lateral and more creative thinking. Okay? Right? Indian economy has become more globally integrated. Indian economy now how it is? More globally integrated. Enterprises are facing increasing level of global competencies. Enterprises are facing increasing level of global competencies. So global competencies are required for the enterprises, for the companies, for the organizations. Okay? I'll give you one message. Ours is secular country. I think you agree with this. In our country, there are many religions. That also you know. Please keep one thing in mind. Please, temple, T-E-M-P-L-E, temple, 6-letter word. How many letters are there in temple? 6 letters. 6 letters. Temple is 6 letters. Then church. Church also has 6 letters. C-H-U-R-C-H, church, 6-letter word. Temple, 6-letter word. Church, 6-letter word. Masjid, M-A-S-J-I-D, Masjid is also a 6-letter word. Temple, 6 letters word. Church, 6-letter word. Masjid also 6-letter word. 6-letter word. Okay? Now come to Gita. Geeta, Gita, 5-letter word. Bible, 5-letter word. Quran, 5-letter word. See, that is unity. When letters are in unity, why don't we? I love my India. See this quote how it is. It's very nice, no? Very nice. Temple, church, masjid. 6-letter words. Gita, Bible, Quran. 5-letter words. See how it is. Hence, a combination of competencies of a person to manage is the need of the hour. So, your competencies should be combined to perform well. Work environment is instantly being changed due to technology. Due to technology, work environment is being changed. Customer-driven markets. Today, customer-driven markets. Information-based economy. Now, information-based economy and globalization. Hence, demand for soft skills is need of the hour. That is why soft skills demand is there today. All the students, employees, please imbibe, please develop your soft skills. Before summing up my lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. Number 1, trust your brain. Number 2, trust yourself. Number 3, trust Hariprasad Reddy. You become successful personality in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.